hawa na yan ha.
Come, Papa, come. Baby, come, Papa, come. Come. Uy, mapiang.
Uy, nita isa.
Go! Hi, Bob!
So, wag na mo makit ang kwan. Wag na makit ang asa namang layo na eh.
Last magugulang.
Last ang layo.
Hi, tiger, dere ah.
So, dire lang tas picture guys kay kuan ko di man makita nindra ko bakit tungos ka init ton.
There, oh.
There, oh, so pretty.
Wala, tamang data picture ano.
So, puro nitago kay giinitan.
Kamang gabi.
Agwanta sa
Pero karabaw.
Guys, ano sa CR ang toilet bayot?
Mabi.
Kasi nadiri. Wala man.
Kuan ba na kung yung dira siya.
Python.
Regulated parko.
Dara mo isa on diri bench. Haman. Sawa.
Wala, ni tago.
Nakayok siyang fast. Asang snake?
Kita!
Ano?
Naray! Topi! Topi!
Dool. Dool. Ay, atubang pa ni mo di oh. Atubang pa siya. Kay bakudak siya ni. Ako be.
Migo, migo.
Atubang sa dako eh. Gwapa mo. Dakuan na ani. Dako. Adro Burmese. May laig ka na nung isa.
Tanaw ta ato tiger ko dali sa katataas.
Why orange? White rock.
Tanaw ko sa mi oh.
Ay, white tiger, ma!
Ito na tiger eh.
Dili na unta to na.
There's a deer over there.
Ay, iro ka na dong. Itong dong.
Ah, ni sobrang tiger ito ha.
Ala, na may ali. May ali.
Asang tiger?
Ala dulo ay.
Mali. Sorry. Video. Do silly dance movement to attract the female wildebeest. And so we have here the wildebeest.
front of us is actually an eland. So eland is the largest antelope globally in terms of size and on their weight. They can stand up until 5 feet in height and can weigh up until 1,000 kilograms. So both male and female have horn, while female has thicker horn and female has thinner one. And so let's proceed right here, the one a greater kudu. So greater kudu is the longest horned antelope in the savanna, and their horn can grow up 72 inches or 6 feet. So only male have horn while females do not have. 20 to 25 years, while the zebra can live up until 20 to 30 years. Only in captivity lang because in the wild, di basta natin bawal because of the natural water buck. So water buck has a strong connection with water, as you can see. So they can secrete an oil, and their oil is actually for waterproofing and also self-defense mechanism. So their oil is actually stinky, so no one will eat stinky food. And also they have a circular pattern on their butt. It's a follow me sign, so when they are traveling, they will go in a line. Yeah, here's the water buck. So let's proceed right here, the ones that look like a deer, but they're not a deer, they're an antelope. So we have here the impala. So impala is a medium-sized antelope with slim and sexy legs, and they are the fastest runner antelope in the savanna because they can run up until 90 kilometers per hour. So only male have horn while females do not. So let's proceed right here. The one that's look like a goat is actually a blastbok. So blastbok is a reddish brown in color with white paint on his face. Came from the Dutch term blaze, referring to their white forehead. So the white forehead is actually protection from the heat of the sun. So nasa like built-in sunscreen. So lastly, we have
built-in sunscreen.
the oryx gazelle or a gemsbok. So known for their straight and long horn that can grow up 33 inches. Then also they are known as the king of the Kalahari Desert because they can survive without drinking of water for several months or a year. So they will just depend on the moisture of the plant that they consume. In the savanna, that can only stand up 70 centimeters to 80 centimeters. So you're right, ma'am. That's not a baby, that's an adult. So both male and female have horn. While male has ringed horn and female has a plain horn. So water crocodile at the left side. If you want to try, we have a crocodile feeding. And after that,
Years mabuhi,
Yan,
friends.
80 to, ay 70 to 80 years.
More nagtawag.
mo ba?
Para to tao.
Turtles.
Ay, ano din? Ay, gato ba nga rin?
Asa man? Patas monkey. Ramo.
Ano, ikaw dahon o. Kaon na siya. Hindi ka ng pitsay.
Check.
Ano isang pandas mo? Kani din.
Okay. No,
Hindi na magdadance.
Tana ay.
Tana. Come here, bro. So, mga katropa, tulog.
Ay, tulog.
Tulog.
Ay, ang iring.
Here na. Ano namin o Bagyo?
Oy, oy, sakyanan, daplin. So, yan mga katropa, yan. Pababa ka na kami sa African Savannah, yung pupunta. Patapos na kami. Oh, daplin.
Kay kanang pony kay mas gamay pa man sa horse.
Din, horse, pony din. Yan.
Pony, nalotel pony.
Butangon og
Oh.
horn. Wala sige. Butangon og horn, unicorn.
Nature horse.
Nature horse.
Miniature.
Ano tama?
Which is also called a pony.
What is this?
Miniature horse, but it is also called a pony.
Pony. Pony. Kabayong kagmay, no?
Oh, luoy gani kay siya lang.
Kabayong kagmay, oh.
Ano sila ang story?
Hindi pwede. May tayo isakay ba?
Ay, donkey. Hindi nilang kaya. Ano na, Ash?
Isa kayo sa
Wala naman si Ibana.
Dini.
nakalaan na si Iwana din eh.
Ano ra day ay? Hala, malinaw gismapi ano.
Buta na din ang balay eh.
Asinda mo. Asinda Emweiler. Asinda Emweiler pala to.
Ipait ko no niya si Brady. Yawa di ay hitan
Parang na, natatama.
Yo.
Picture of video he.
picture mapi. Sa Inday lang din.
Si Aina. Hello.
Nailaw ganit.
Wala na sila lahog.
Pwede rin.
Sila kay 20 to 25 years na sila kung to.